Housing projects with more than 20,000 square meters in Mumbai are now given clearance on one condition, that they will treat solid waste management in-house. In fact, the housing societies which have sewage treatment plant and are found not using them will be penalized. But do consumers really want to own a property or live near STPs? Hi, I'm Neha Nagpal. Welcome to Property Matters. When MBTV checked with consumers, some expressed the benefits and some actually pointed out serious concerns and challenges of having STPs within the housing societies or residential townships.
जब भी STP चालू करते हैं जो प्योरिफिकेशन रहता है तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा आवाज़ आता है मोटर का, स्मेल और स्टिंक भी है, बट वो एक बार घर में रहते हुए फेस किया जा सकता है using air freshener and everything, but noise is a big problem.
Negative, it can come only if it is not placed properly. If it is not located in the proper place, then only it can have a negative.
मेरा जो नया घर होगा मैं यही देख के लूंगा जिसमें कि जहाँ पे STP प्लांट थोड़े से डिस्टेंस पे हो.
Adhering to government guidelines, all societies are mandated to use STPs. In fact, BMC has clearly said that use STPs or face cuts. But how do these STPs work? Who manages it? Let's find out.
The STPs right now maintained by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. There is no system till now where the STP has been asked to be done by the societies. However, for the last 2 years, an amendment has been done in the Environment Act wherein more than 20,000 square meter, the built-up area, which is approximately 2 lakh and above square foot constructed area, if that the Environment Act, this has to be done by the developer, and then the developer has to maintain it.
This was for buildings that are over 20,000 square feet. But in Mumbai, most of the buildings in established South Mumbai area are old, therefore having space constraints.
The buildings which are very old and which are in a small in size, naturally there they used to have either a septic tank type or they connect it to the municipal corporation or the local body. In Mumbai, we have one housing societies where 500,000 flats which are getting registered, which is called a cooperative housing society. And second, we have a advanced locality management. About 100 or 50 societies or the residential complexes in one particular lane or in a particular locality, they are called advanced locality management. What they do is, once in a month, the Assistant Commissioner of the Municipal Corporation invite them, and local drainage problems, water sewerage treatment problems, civic issues are discussed.
Though consumers have voiced out their concerns of having STPs in their societies or living near one, but they do not deny the fact that it also has huge benefits if placed properly.
If you take a big cities like Mumbai, water is such a precious commodity, and so we need to conserve water. So one of the ways is reuse this STP water after treating it back in the buildings, and it's used for basically for the toilet flushing, and some of excess water also goes into for horticulture.
The bad water, the effluent water comes out of treatment plant. If you are able to bring it down to 40 or 50 level for the high level of 500 or 1000, that means that water can be recycled, and that recycled water can be utilized for large number of things. It can be used for your landscaping, it can be used for air conditioning water, it can be used for flushing purposes, it can be used for so many other uses. With a little amount of care, we can also level to potability level or drinking water level, like Singapore has done already on that. There are many emerging technologies which are coming out with the particular thing, and most of the leading builders and developers of good repute, they're using the latest state-of-the-art technologies to deal with the recycling one. The idea is not one drop of water, bad water, should be wasted.
Well aware of its benefits, home buyers still have one constant query. Do STPs impact property prices?
When the STP plants are put, it creates sound. Secondly, it also sometimes gives the flow, this smell, a bad smell also comes. That is the reason many people also verify that where the STP is put and how the arrangements are done. And therefore, I think that also makes a lot of difference in the pricing also.
If you do it properly, no problem. You have to ensure that all these particular places are maintained very secure. There are places, I myself been to, as I said, the one in Singapore there. You wouldn't even know that the whole of the city's treatment is coming over there, and it's absolutely fine with nice gardens being created over there. Even the one in Worli in Bombay, I've seen that reasonably good, I would say. It depends upon how you maintain those particular ones.
Like Mr. V. Suresh said, concentrate on aesthetics of it, then what you see is not a municipal facility but a beautiful garden. While India has always had laws to protect the environment and natural resources, getting people to care about and authorities to implement these rules has been the challenge. However, Mumbai authorities have taken that step, but how far they can go to bring it into execution, for that we'll have to wait and watch.
Benefits to the modern wastewater treatment system. Rids potential diseases. Wastewater treatment system eliminate disease-causing bacteria and kill harmful organisms. Low cost, minimal odour emissions, no water bills, little maintenance, break down solids faster and less wasteful.
I hope you like this show. If you have any query, you can write to me on my Twitter or can send in your query in the comment section below this video. My Twitter handle is @NehaNagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. With cameraman Manish, this is Neha Nagpal signing off. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.